Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 9th, 2022. Today we're going to play a speaking game. 10 questions to help you speak English better. For this game, you need a notebook and a pen. Please write down number 1. Ask me a question. Say, you every day tennis play? You every day tennis play? How do you say that perfectly in modern English? Here it is. Can you say it super fast? Do you play tennis every day? Number 2. Please ask me, Jennifer, every day tennis play? You're asking me about Jennifer. Hey, Vinny, does Jennifer play tennis every day? Okay, number 3. Try to stop the show and write it in your notebook. Please ask me, say, you every day apple eat? You every day apple eat? Do you eat an apple every day? Really quickly, it sounds like this. Do you eat an apple every day? Okay, for the next one, you're asking me about Bob. You say, hey, Vinny, Bob every day milk drink? Please write it down in your notebook. Here it is. Can you say it super fast? The secret is we say does really fast. Like this. Does Bob drink milk every day? Number 5. Please ask me, hey Vinny, Jennifer now where? This is for location. Please ask me. Where is Jennifer now? And when we speak quickly, where and is go together. We just say, where's? Where's Jennifer now? Number 6. For this one, you're asking me, Vinny, Bob live where? Where does Bob live? And then the secret is we say does really fast, like this. Where does Bob live? Number 7. This is a hard one. You every night. Bed go. Time. What? Can you say it super fast? The secret is American people say go to really fast. They only say go to. So go to bed sounds like go to bed. What time do you go to bed every night? Number 8. In this one, you're asking me about Jennifer. You say, hey, Vinny, Jennifer every day do what? Does she go to school? Does she work? Do what? What does Jennifer do every day? When you say what does really fast, it sounds like this. What does? What does Jennifer do every day? Does she work? Does she go to school? In this one, you're asking me about Bob. You say, hey, Vinny, Bob sleep every night. Time, how much? Hours, how many? How long? How long does Bob sleep every night? Bonus question. How long does Bob sleep every night? Four. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. And the last question for today, number 10. For this one, you're asking me. You say you every day. Tennis play with who? Who do you play tennis with every day? American people say who do you very quickly, like this. Who do you? Who do you play? Who do you play tennis with every day? Game over. How did you do? That's great. And you're learning how to speak very quickly. Where are you now? What city do you live in? What time are you gonna go to bed tonight? Very nice. You're doing very well. I'll see you next time, everybody. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.